When you try your best but you don't succeed.
It's so good. Hey, remember all those times you kill switched me? And you got Inu?
Hey, bud.
Yeah, that's payback, buddy.
It won't come off!
Hey!
It won't come off! I can open and close my phone.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Oh, it didn't leave a mark like it did to Inu.
It didn't?
Let's check. He looks so good!
Why, bro? What the fuck?
It's payback, alright? Okay, you look good.
Take this off me right now.